right, here we go. Can I move this? There we go. Okay, so just to back up for a second. I don't care about that. No, sorry. So we're going to identify and apply key features of polynomials. We have a Quizizz quiz today. I will be here today after school for a rare after-school tutoring session. You don't have to go, but if you can never be here in the morning with very sarcastic air quotes, then I'll be here after school today. Okay. But let me guess that you're probably not spending all the time in class diligently working. So why don't you just do your work in class? That's always a good solution. Now, let's do our warm-up. By the way, it says in red here what's due, and here it is, the things that need to be done. From 2-9, this assignment is what the quiz is over. 2-11 and yesterday, 2-15, these assignments are also due. They're about to go in, so make sure you have these done. Cool? Now, here's the warm-up. We already said this, but if it's 2x minus 4, the x is an implied 1 power. So we call that a linear. And I don't know why I can't zoom in on this thing. There we go. Okay, so 1 is linear. Cool. Now, how many terms do you see there? And how do you know they're terms? They're separated by plus or minus, right? So 2x minus 4, that's 2 terms. And what do you call a two-term classification? A what? Binomial. Okay? 2 is binomial is the end of the classification every time. Let's write that down. Binomial. Today, on a quiz, would you be able to see 2 terms and know that's a binomial? Next one. What's the highest degree you see? Hey, phone. Okay, everyone else, y'all see the highest degree is 4. So what do you call a 4th degree function? You sure? Quartic is correct, okay? So think of like 4 quarters and $1 quart. Quartic, 4. Quartic function. Now, how many terms do you see there? 3? 4? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Separated by plus or minus. What do you call a 4-termed function? It is a polynomial after 3. Anything above 3. Polynomial. Huh? Like what? Next one. What's the highest degree you see? Degree 2. What do you call a degree 2? Quadratic. You sure? What do you think? Exactly. Quadratic. Quadratic. And how many terms do you see there? 3. Very good. 3 term is trinomial. Trinomial, because tri is the prefix for 3. All right. Y equals 2. What's that? How many degree is that? You sure? It's not 2? It's 0. All right, so 0 degree is what? Constant, a regular number without an x. Okay? It has no degree. It is a constant number. Okay? And if it's how many? Very close. Yes. Just smash it more together. Monomial. All right, so that's 1 term because it's 1 number, and 1 term is monomial. Okay, mono is the prefix for 1. Okay, not the sickness y'all are getting, no, but I'm talking about mono, like a monorail has 1 rail. Monopoly has 1 power of economic strength over the other, something like that. I don't teach economics here. All right, so next thing. What is the power? 3. Okay, 3rd degree is called what? Cubic. How many terms? 3. Which one? You sure? You're very sure? I'm writing it just to trick you. So here's what we're going to do. Everybody, you need to, first, you can have this down, yeah? Hey, so, today's quiz, we're going to do something new. I don't like doing new things, but I'm going to try something new, right? New horizons. I'd like to explain what we're doing next. No, it's not. So, everybody, what we're going to do next is on your Google Classroom, okay? If you should be part of my Google Classroom, everybody. If for some reason you're not, which I don't believe you, the code's right there, so there's no excuses. And since every day we have phones in this class, you should get out your phone, go to Google Classroom from the launch pad, okay? Listen. Stop making noise, please. So if you go to classwork, at the very top, it says Quizizz, quiz polynomials. This is what I want you to work on, okay? Everyone's doing this now. I'm going to grab the paper ones and come see you either doing it or I'm going to give you the paper ones because everyone needs to do this first. But when you finish, I need you doing yesterday's assignment and all the other ones that are still due. You can check Skyward and do missing work, but you want to get these done, okay? Does everyone understand what we're doing? Okay? So if you're not writing down your warm-ups, that's a bad idea. Don't do that, even if it's your birthday, okay? So make sure you do what you're supposed to do every day. It is. It is.